And here we are in the car. We have just installed the Door Chime Relay, and I'm going to insert my keys. So just if you weren't paying attention to the last video, I have removed and modified the Door Chime Relay and added my own microcontroller to play whatever tune I want it to play. And here we go. I'm going to put the key in. And if you listen, you can hear it. And you can't really see very well because there's not a whole lot of light, but with the programmable interface, I can just hook my computer up to this to the car and change the tune and upload whatever I want. So pretty useless, but overall a pretty fun project. Happy hacking.